Hello everybody, I am Jyoti Vashist from Suraj School Rewari. Students, our today's topic is hydrocarbon from the class 10th chemistry, carbon and its compounds. Hydrocarbons are basically compounds consisting carbon and hydrogen are called hydrocarbon. That means hydrocarbons are those compounds which are made from carbon and hydrogen basically called hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are of two types: saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbons are known as the hydrocarbons which have single bond between carbon and carbon. Single bond between carbon and carbon. If any hydrocarbon in which carbon and carbon are joined with single bond, carbon and carbon are bonded with single bond, which doesn't have any double or triple bond, that is called saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbons have a name alkanes. That means the compounds which have single bond between carbon and carbon are known as alkane. And here unsaturated hydrocarbons. The unsaturated hydrocarbons have multiple bond between carbon and carbon. We know that carbon can form double and triple bond also. So if the hydrocarbon having double bond or triple bond between carbon and carbon, they are categorized as unsaturated hydrocarbon. Multiple bond, maybe double bond, maybe triple bond. If have double bond between carbon and carbon, that is called alkene. And if have triple bond between carbon and carbon, that is called alkyne. Okay, I repeat again. Hydrocarbons are of two types, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons having single bond between carbon and carbon, also known as alkene. Unsaturated hydrocarbons have multiple bond between carbon and carbon, maybe double bond, maybe triple bond. If double bond is there, that they are known as alkene, and if triple bond is there, they are known as alkyne. For the alkene, if we want to make the formula of alkane, the general formula of all the alkanes are CnH2n plus 2. Here n is the number of carbon. That means in alkenes, the number of hydrogens are double plus 2 than carbon. For the alkene, the general formula of alkene are CnH2n. Hydrogen is just double than the number of carbon. And for the alkyne, the general formula is CnH2n minus 2. Number of hydrogen is the minus 2 than the double of number of carbons. Let us take one example. If we want to alkane with number of carbon 2, so n equals to 2. So Cn, for n it is 2. H2n, 2 into 2 plus 2. So our formula becomes C2H6. It is an alkane. Here number of hydrogen is plus 2 than the double of number of carbon. If we want to alkene with number of carbon 2, Cn, C2, H, 2 into 2. Our formula becomes C2H4. It is alkene. Here the number of hydrogen is just double than the number of carbon. And if we want to alkyne with n equals to 2, C2, H, 2 into 2 minus 2, it becomes C2H2. It is the alkyne. Here number of hydrogen is the minus 2 then the number of carbon is the -2, then the number of carbon. Students, if we open up these structures, C2H6, 2 carbon, C, H6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And between the 2 carbon, we know that carbon have 4 valencies. So 1, 2, 3. 1 is left, that is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both the 2 carbons completed its 4 valencies, and it is the alkane. The name is ethane, where the single bond is between carbon and carbon. If we want to expand this, C2H4, C, because we have 2 carbon, we have 4 hydrogen, 1, 2, 1, 2. So to complete the 4 valencies of carbon, we have to place double bond in between these 2 carbons. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is here the double bond is between carbon and carbon. So it is the example of alkene, and its name is ethene. Now it is C2H2. Again we have 2 carbons and we have 2 hydrogen. So it is distributed like this. So to complete the 4 bond of carbon, we have to place 3 triple bond between these 2 carbons, and it becomes alkyne. The name is ethyne. Thank you and have a nice day.